feeling constantly tired, even after a full night's sleep. You might be missing something crucial. Many people suffer from a silent vitamin deficiency that drains their energy without them realizing it. Iron deficiency is one of the most common causes of unexplained fatigue and brain fog. Without enough iron, your body can't carry oxygen efficiently, leaving you feeling exhausted. Vitamin D deficiency is another sneaky culprit, affecting mood and energy levels. Low vitamin D can cause muscle weakness and persistent tiredness, especially in winter months. Magnesium, the relaxation mineral, is essential for hundreds of body functions. Without enough magnesium, you may experience mood swings, fatigue, and difficulty sleeping. The tricky part, symptoms are subtle and often mistaken for stress or busy lifestyle. A simple blood test can reveal if you're deficient and help you reclaim your energy. Eating iron-rich foods like spinach, beans, and lean meats can boost your levels naturally. Vitamin D can be increased through safe sun exposure and supplements if needed. Magnesium-rich foods include nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, perfect for your daily diet. Remember, feeling tired all the time isn't normal. Don't ignore your body's signals. Talk to your doctor about testing for vitamin deficiencies and get back to feeling your best. Like this video if you've ever felt this way. Share your story in the comments below. Subscribe for more simple, powerful health tips that help you live smarter and stronger.